Because of say we Obonge governor won't remove those state people for darkness where BEDC don't put them. Now Governor Obaseki don't go inspect the 55 megawatt CCETC Ossiomo power plant. As the B said, the facility go soon start to operate. As Governor Obaseki don't inspect the facility and how work don't work out reach for the power plant where they for Ologbo for near Benin City. Now he come talk say them go commission the first phase of the power plant for April. Governor Obaseki say the plants go generate electricity where go reach Edo State people use. Governor Obaseki talk say the construction of the transmission line make it for the carry lights from sites go inside Benin go soon start, and the first set of the equipment where them go use for the project go come from China for the first quarter of 2019. Governor Obaseki town say he believe say before the end of the first quarter of 2019, the first 5 megawatts go down the deliver lights, go government offices and the streets where they inside Saple Road for Benin City. Where Obonge governor come they talk say them done they conclude the transaction to take light up 200 kilometers of the streets for inside Benin City, and when the plants don't already finish, they give electricity to the whole state. And if the megawatts where the plants go they produce increase, the distribution company will get more power to distribute give the other parts of the state. Governor Obaseki talk say everybody for those states go benefit from the power arrangement, including the artisans, because them don't they arrange how to give lights to the processing centers where artisans go fit the waka go they do their business with the hope of steady power supply.
Unfortunately, the bulk of the city and the state had to spend the Christmas holidays and New Year in darkness, even though they came up with an excuse of vandalization, which I do not believe. But I wasn't surprised because, like we've said, they don't have the capacity to supply, the electricity they claim. In fact, the structure of the transaction they have today really pays them not to give us power. But having said that, we're not going to continue to lament. As I told you, actually, we signed a power purchase agreement with Ossiomo Power to purchase 5 megawatts for the use of the state government and to light up the streets. Unfortunately, the distribution company went in to challenge the application and stalled it for more than a year. Fortunately, we've been able to get the approval, got the license, and I just came to make sure that construction has started and work has started. We got the license approved by NEC in November last year, and they assured me that within 6 months of obtaining the license, they will be able to at least have the first 15 megawatts installed, from which we can get our 5 megawatts. And also that will serve as a boost to potential tenants in the industrial park. As you know, the industrial park is only it's less than 2 kilometers from this site, and they will benefit both from the electricity and from the gas that is being used to power the electricity plant. So you've heard from Ossiomo Power. We're quite optimistic. Construction work is in progress. As a government, we want to focus on our core area of specialization, which is governance. If private people can do a business, why does government need to compete with them? They've not said they don't have the capital or the technical expertise. All we need to do as a government is to create the enabling environment for them to be able to function and do well. Secondly, we're hoping it will free up, this facility will then free up some of the electricity that will be available for distribution to other cities in the state. Right now, we believe that if we add between 50 to 100 megawatts, then it will make more electricity more available, and then hopefully the distribution company can have more electricity to go to other cities.
Now, so Dr. Uwaigehon will be the director of CCETC Clean Energy and Ossiomo Power Plant. Talk say the power plant na joint venture between one Chinese company, CCETC Clean Energy, and Ossiomo Power to build 55 megawatts plant for Edo State. Dr. Uwa talk say the power plant don't start since August 2018, and it go dey deliver light in the next 4 to 5 months. Dr. Uwaigehon say na gas them won't use from 150-meter gas pipeline way near the site, and the project go dey different phase, and the first phase of 5 megawatts go dey deliver light to we state government establishment.
Here we are building a 55 megawatt power plant, which eventually will supply power to the state government and the environs of Benin City. The project started around August 2018, and we expect to have the project completed within the next 4 to 5 months. We're going to use natural gas. Just right behind us here, we have the flow station, and there is a natural gas pipeline just 50 meters from the site of the power plant. That's why the power plant was located here. It's going to be in phases. The first 5 megawatts, which is committed to the Edo State government, will be commissioned first, and then subsequently we will commission the remaining 55 megawatts within about 2 or 3 months.
Now, so we see am reach on top how we state government want take remove we state people from darkness.